Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm glad you joined me here today. We're going to be doing a swipe. We're going to be doing a minimalistic swipe. And I'm excited. I get excited every time I'm down here. I get excited every time I get ready to do a swipe. I am a swiping kind of girl. Let's talk about our canvas today. Our canvas is from Blix, and this is Blix Premier, and it is a 12 by 36 inch canvas. Now, I've told you about these before, and I can't ever remember. They call them defective or something, slightly marred or whatever, but these are a third of the price, and I've never had a defect whatsoever on a single one that I have ordered. So check out Blix, B-L-I-C-K-S. They have everything in stock. I've never had to wait for anything, so I'm a real Blix fan. Our colors, our base coat, we're going to kind of do like a yin and yang, a dark and a light, and then swipe through it and over it and try to leave some negative space. So basically we're just playing, which is one of my favorite things to do as well. Right here in this yummy cup, that's one of our base coats there. Our paints are mixed with 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800, and that yummy color is Rust-oleum Metallics, and that is the metallic seashell. I love these paints for my base coat, guys. I love them for my swiping colors. They're good paints. This guy right here is our yang to our yin, and that's Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, and that is the black. Now, I did add a little bit of water to my Rust-oleum seashell and my Artist Loft black because they were a little bit thicker, because the rest of my paints are fluid paints, and those were not fluid paints. This cup right here, we have golden fluid acrylics, and that's the iridescent gold fine. You see me use this a lot. It's not bossy, it's not in your face gold, and I like that. Yummy color, great color for fall, guys. Golden fluids, iridescent bronze. Let me give you a close-up of this guy. I mean, hallelujah, that's pretty. That's a pretty paint. For good luck, guys, shout it out. What is that? Golden fluid acrylics, iridescent pearl. For good luck. That's my Courtney paint. This nice color right here, I threw it into the mix at the last minute, and I think it's going to play really well with these colors. These are the colors in my home. And you know what? When I paint, I love painting in all colors, but I really like painting in colors that appeal to me. That is golden fluid acrylics, burnt sienna, and golden fluid acrylics, burnt umber light. Look at that tiny little cute bottle right there. So we're going to get busy here, guys. We're going to go ahead and put our base coat down, our swiping tool. I'm not sure. I got some damp paper towels. I got a palette knife. I got my cut up pieces of plastic from a report cover. So we're just going to get crazy. We're going to probably try a little bit of each and every one of those. Now, the paper towel, if you want to do a light gingerly swipe, that's the ticket. If you want to add a little bit of weight to your swipe to possibly bring up more of that base coat, the plastic is your ticket because you can apply more weight. Same with the palette knife. So put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, and we're going to get busy, guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen. Stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.